I. Saw a sign on the road, and I don't know, something came over me. Isn't that right, Enzo?
Enzo, you mean like Ferrari? That's right. You can't look after a dog. You're never home.
Or you're gonna ruin the moment, aren't you? Our best friend is gonna ruin the moment. I'll take him on the road with me. Give him a good luck charm.
Hey, you coming to our show tonight? We're opening for the Scoffs of the Dive.
Oh, no, he can't. He's got a new puppy to look at. See his good luck already. I got the call this morning. They need an extra driver. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll leave you past the gate. Okay, 2 passes. Who is this guy again? That's right.
I like my new home. It only lacked for grass, but I figured I could make do.
Enzo, no. Don, I gotta call you back.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, bud. Fire away.
Denny seemed unusually interested in my bathroom habits.
Cool.
He is sick. You know that? This is gonna be sick.
This isn't the diarrhea scene. That comes later.
Of course you did.
Great, great. This is just great.
It's time to turn in.
That's not the diarrhea scene.
Yeah, I can't wait to see that.
Just be a good boy. Get some sleep, okay?